Is PulPay really a way for everyone to make money by taking surveys as it claims on its website, or is it a waste of time? My name is Michael from paidfromservice.com, and I have tested this platform, and in this PulPay review I will give you an inside look and I will explain both the pros and the cons, the advantages and the limitations, so you can easily understand if this will be worth your time or not. If this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time there's a video with tips and tricks about how to get the most out of paid service sites, get paid to sites, and other free ways to earn some extra cash on the site online. So let's just start by going over who can join. And you can join PulPay both through the website itself or through the app. You can download it in the App Store or Google Play. And actually, PulPay started as an app, so that is why you probably often hear it spoken about as PulPay app. But it is no longer only an app. You can actually also use it on the website. Sometimes you can find service through the app that you cannot find on the website, and the other way around. So if you decide to join after watching this review, then it can have some advantages to use both the app and the website. And you can join from more or less all countries. So in that sense, they are right when they say that they offer money for everyone. However, whether it will then be worth it or not, that is what I will discuss throughout this review here. But it is easy to get started. You can just log in here with your Apple login, Facebook, Google, or Twitter login. So you cannot use your email to sign up and create your own password. You have to have one of these accounts to sign up. But I will now log in and then show you what you get on the inside. So PulPay is really a simple survey site and a survey app. There are not a lot of different options, so it is quite easy to figure out how it works. You just log in here and then there is surveys here and you can see the available surveys. Once in a while when you log in, it will ask you some additional profile questions, and that will be to try to match surveys with you. And then you can see the available surveys here. At the moment I have 2 surveys and I can see the approximate time and also the approximate reward. And here you just have to choose wisely, because some of them give quite good value for time and others give quite poor value for your time. And as with most other survey sites, you will actually not qualify for all the surveys. Sometimes it can take patience to find the surveys you qualify for. And something a little bit strange I've experienced here a few times is when I've tried to take a survey, I've clicked and then usually it opens up and you will have to take some qualification questions and see if you qualify. That's completely normal. But a few times I've actually tried that it did not even do that. The screen just popped up and said that I was speeding through the survey and I was not even taking a survey. So there was some kind of technical error there, which was a little bit annoying. And that of course affects the overall impression of the site that you get a message like that. But that should actually not stop you, because you have not done anything wrong if you get a message like I did there, because I hadn't even started a survey yet. And also what you need to be aware are that the surveys are not as such surveys published by PulPay. They are working together with a lot of survey routers, so you will be completing the surveys on external sites. And that also means that many of the surveys will be available on other survey sites or on Get Paid To sites. So if you have a lot of Get Paid To sites where you like taking surveys already, it is very likely that you cannot find any additional surveys here on PulPay, to be honest. So that is the main way you can earn on PulPay. But you can also earn a little bit extra by inviting other people to join. If somebody joins through your invitation link, you will earn a commission whenever they earn. They will earn the same, so it will not affect them. And in addition to that, if somebody joins through your invitation link, they will also receive a 25-cent bonus when signing up. And usually you will not get a bonus when you sign up. So if you are not yet a member and you decide you want to join, then you are more than welcome to use my invite code, and then you can get 25 cents into your account right away. And you can see this is my invite code. So if you put that in there when you join, then you will get the 25 cents. I will also leave a link below this video here to the full review on my website, and you can also read it there if you did not catch it here. But that is of course only relevant if you actually think it's worth your time after having watched this review. So a very important thing to know before deciding if it's for you or not is how you can get your earnings out. And at the moment of recording this review here, you can only get paid via PayPal. So it is a great way to get paid in cash, very convenient and fast, and you can get your earnings out already when you've earned $5. So the payout threshold is quite low. But this of course also means that even though they write that you can earn no matter who you are, then it has some limitations, because in some countries PayPal is not available, so then you can definitely not join it, or you can at least not get paid, so then there's really no point in joining, of course. Also, one thing you have to be aware of, if I show you down here, that PayPal payouts require a fee of 50 cents. So you will actually not get the full amount, and that means the fee is 50 cents whether you get $5 or $10. So it actually pays to wait until you've earned $10, because then you will still just have to pay the same fee. I think it's a little bit high fee actually to pay, especially for the $5 there, but that is just how it is, and you just have to accept that if you decide to use PulPay. So overall, PulPay is a legit service site, and it also has a convenient app you can download both for iOS devices and for Android devices. It is easy to use, and I like they pay you in cash via PayPal, and the payout threshold is quite low. I would say it's a decent survey opportunity. I'm not super impressed, but I also don't think it is particularly bad. It has some advantages and disadvantages, but it just also doesn't really offer anything special compared to many other service sites. So I would say that it's only worth joining if you really want to test a new service site. Many of the service you find here, you can find on many other service sites that get paid to sites anyways. But if you already have a lot of other sites, or you want to focus on the absolute best service sites, then PulPay is not necessarily the best option. But if you want to know even more, or if you want to see the bonus code so you can get 25 cents just by signing up, then I will leave a link to the full review on my website where I have all that information. I will leave it below this video here. So make sure to check that out. And there you can also find lists of service sites that, in my opinion, give even more and better opportunities. And finally, if this video helped you, then make sure to like it, and also make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about how to get the most out of get paid to sites, paid service sites, and other free ways to earn some extra cash on the side online.